guys, it's me Chelsea. So this time I'm gonna tell you about this crazy experience I will never forget. So me and my fam, we were on a beach trip, and we were staying at Ronet Hotel, like fancy hotel, and yeah, let me tell you something. Some wild stuff went down. So in the dead of the night, I took a bathroom break. And yeah, as I step back, I feel like someone watching me from the window, but I brushed it off because I thought it's just my imagination playing tricks. But then things took turn a serious creepy. I saw these tall like shadows, like they're holding a freaking what's that name? Coven and lawn mowing equipment. Yeah, I freaked out and let out a scream that jolted my mom awake. Girls, it hit me like a ton of brick. My mom's prego and hit me like that's why the shadow showed up. And just when things couldn't get any crazy, the fire alarm goes off like a sonic bomb. My head was throbbing like from the noise. Like the weirdest part, my mom couldn't hear anything. Like, girl, am I crazy or something? With nervous of still, we were open the door to check out what's happening outside, and you won't believe it. When we were open the door, there was nothing happening outside. Like, girls, even I heard people shouting about the fire and running around. They even banged our room. Like, seriously? If you guys asking me where is my dad, he wasn't in the room because he had a meeting at Ballroom Hotel. So yeah, in the room it's just me, my mom, and my little sister on her belly, of course. Yeah, she did her best to calm me down, and those shadows disappeared after she prayed for me. No, for us, because yeah, we have faith. That's why we pray to God. But then, damn, the fire alarm goes off again, and yeah, my mom didn't hear anything. Like, am I crazy or something stuff? But never mind. When I turn around, guess who's back? Yeah, those all tall shadows. And this time they brought their friends. Like, they're a whole group. Like, a freaking whole group. Like, bro, just fucking serious. We huddled under the blankets, just waiting my dad for saving us. If you guys asking, like, why you guys just get out of the room? Like, girl, my mom is prego. That's why we couldn't make run of it. So yeah, that experience messed me up, like, big time. I was sick as a dog for a whole week. So, but let me tell you, this memory I will never forget, and never ever. Okay, thank you for hearing my story. See you guys.